How to change your template in Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your template on Wix. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and you will see name of your current site. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Go to All Sites. Important note that Wix doesn't allow you to change the template of an existing site. So instead, you will need to create a brand new site to use a different template. Don't worry, your current site stays intact and won't be affected. Now, on the All Sites page, click Create New Site. Wix will then ask what kind of website you're building. Select your category and you will be taken to the template selection screen. Take your time exploring Wix's wide variety of templates. Once you've found a template you like, click on Edit or Start with this template. Wix will walk you through the setup process. All Wix templates are fully customizable and so you can easily change the text, images, colors, layout, and much more. As you build your new site, make it your own using all the editing tools Wix provides. And that's it. You have now started a new site with a brand new template in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.